questions. I'll walk you through one more tab, and I'll just show you, why we are seeing that it's something ahead in the year later on, but not right now. So these are some of the proprietary indicators, which tells us in advance where is the resistance and where is the stop loss, or let's say where is a very long-term stop loss in the market. For example, all these purple lines and the numbers above you are seeing, these are resistances. Okay, so we kind of come to know in advance where is the resistance. For example, this similar 13C resistance and double resistances were there in June 19, and then entire resistance cluster was there in from June 19 to Feb 25, Feb 2020. Right? Eventually, markets fell, and these vertical lines are time cycles. Okay, some of यूट्यूबर्स you may also see कि कोई टाइम साइकिल फॉलो करता है, कोई एलियट वेव फॉलो करता है, कोई आरएसआई देखता है, कोई टाइम साइकिल्स देखता है, right? We follow all of them. We follow all of them. We make our own proprietary models. Then we have a back tester. Then we also see what is RBI doing, what is Federal Reserve doing, how markets are behaving, right? And then we take very appropriate call what needs to be bought in a 15 stock portfolio. And whenever there is a market risk, right, it doesn't impact one single stock, right, or single sector. It impacts everything in the market. So like this, right? So whenever there is a market-wise risk, then we don't shy away from taking cash calls as well. हम लोग cash में चले जाते हैं, right? So this year 9P and 13 का resistance was throughout 21 till June 23. When it broke, then we were very sure that now a bull market start hoga. Now, of course, we were not live in the SEBI format by then, but right now what we are seeing is this is the resistance, 26,500. Unless 26,500 break होगा, तब तक न्यू बुल मार्केट नहीं स्टार्ट होगा. ओके, तो एंड जब ये ब्रेक होगा तब ऐसा रनवे मिलेगा आगे. तो उसके बाद के रेजिस्टेंस वॉल्स हैं, मार्केट्स में क्लाइंब अप वेरी इजीली. बट अभी कहाँ पे है? अभी हम मार्केट इतना निगेटिव नहीं है, बिकॉज वी आर सीइंग डेली सपोर्ट इज वेरी नियर. तो अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ पे मिल रहा है तो वी शुड बाय, दैट इज आवर ओपिनियन. एंड देन मार्केट्स में अपवर्ड जाने के लिए पोजीशन है. बट व्हेन द मार्केट मे गो अपवर्ड, something might happen later part of the year. That is, time cycle is telling us that these are the time cycles. Okay, so if you see, for example, the red half clusters, that tells us something. It tells us the reversals. Okay, so if markets are falling, it may reverse from here, or markets are going up, it may reverse or go sideways here. Okay, so around 23 रेजिस्टेंसेस भी क्रॉस हो रहा था एंड टाइम साइकिल का भी रिवर्सल का टाइम था. सो वी वर वेरी श्योर कि ये ऊपर जाएगा, राइट? तो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ टाइम साइकिल मे रिवर्स, and these are the zones. Okay, so between, let's say, August to November end, sometimes it may go couple of weeks here and there as well, because this is not a rocket science, this is not a fixed chemistry kind of science, this is arts and science combined. Okay, so between August to November, this is the time cycle where we are seeing there is some kind of a risk. But what is that risk? We don't know yet. But does that mean market will start immediately falling right now? Answer is no. It might actually go up. It may trap many people and then diverge down. But we'll take a call at that point of time, depending on the situation. Because why I'm saying repetitively this, because in COVID, markets were up and it went down literally in a month. So if it goes up, then it will come down. If it goes down, it might actually go up from here. So depending on the situation, we'll take a call. We don't know that point right now. But अगर अभी तो हमें पता है कि मार्केट ऊपर जाने की पॉसिबिलिटी है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू राइड द मार्केट. एंड सिमिलर टू कोविड, जैसे ग्रीन सर्कल भी है जो कोविड में इंटरलॉक हुआ था विद रेड सर्कल्स. यूजुअली ग्रीन सर्कल्स विद काइंड ऑफ ओवरलैप बहुत बड़ा रिसेशन लेके आता है, या बहुत मंथ्स का टाइम में रिसेशन चला जाता है, राइट? सो दैट काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो आर वी गोइंग टू एक्सपेक्ट राइट नाउ? नो. दैट काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो वी मे एक्सपेक्ट इन 2027, 2028. अभी नहीं. और रिसेशन अगर आता भी है, उसका अपोजिट साइन भी है कि अगर रिसेशन अभी आता है तो वी मे जस्ट गो अप and then see some kind of divergence, some kind of reversal for short time, and then again start going up. So we see multiple things on the charts, right? We also see Elliott waves, Fibonacci theories. So between we can see 24,162 से लेके 22,000 28,000 तक रिस्क जोन है. सपोर्ट कहाँ पे है इसका? इफ मार्केट क्रैश होता है, वर्स्ट के सिनारियो रिसेशन सिनारियो, राइट? वर्स्ट के सिनारियो इज 16,274 से लेके 18,928. ओके, सो राइट नाउ वी आर ओके. तो आप मार्केट में जो भी नॉइज हो रहा है उसको इग्नोर करो एंड देन सी आपको पोर्टफोलियो क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है. बट this is what we are seeing, and that's why all analysis is telling us it is not the right time to go negative in the market.